Imagine walking outside, and fish start falling from the sky. In Honduras, locals witness a bizarre event called Lluvia de Peces, or rain of fish. It happens once or twice a year, usually after strong storms. Tiny fish literally fall from the sky, covering streets and fields. Scientists believe water spouts or strong updrafts suck fish from nearby water bodies and drop them miles away. But some locals claim the fish appear out of nowhere, and have even said they don't match local species. Nature doesn't always follow the rules. Follow Short Facts AI for more strange truths you've never heard before.